Hello, good day to you. Today we'll be learning about invoice. So let's start creating one. To create an invoice, we'll click on the plus icon followed by invoice. Under the customer section, you will have a choice to choose the existing customer or add a new customer. To add a new customer, just click the add new button and enter the customer's name, followed by save. The terms field signifies when the invoice will be due. You can create or choose the terms accordingly at this field. Enter your invoice date, and the due date will be the number of days after the invoice date based on the terms. In this case, the term selected is due 30 days and the due date will be 30 days from the invoice date. Under products and service, you can select the product and service that you want to charge to your customer. In this case, we will select hours. Enter your description, followed by the quantity and rate. QuickBooks Online will calculate the total amount for you. To display a message on the invoice, you can enter the message at this field. If everything is alright, you can click the save button to save the invoice. Congratulations, we have just learned how to create an invoice. See you at the next video. Goodbye.